This week's featured products are our range of chrome, which come in a variety of options, allowing you to build a shelving unit specific to your needs. Attaching triangular base plates to the ends of the chrome posts creates a strong foundation upon which to build your unit. Plastic sleeves hold the shelf in position and can be applied anywhere on the poles, allowing for maximum customization. Looking for reel racks? We've got those too, in both single and double peaked varieties. These shelves are an ideal storage solution for reels, or even for non-intended uses if you're so inclined. In need of something more mobile? Why not use the previous shelving unit and attach braked and unbraked ESD casters to end push handles and build yourself a trolley, perfect for use in warehouses and carrying around bulky items of stock. For more information on any of the items here or any other products in XML's range, contact our sales team today.